In this video, I will show you how to delete your Webull account. I'll go over how to do it on the website as well as in the mobile app. So first, if you want to do it on the app, just go and open it up. And then what you want to do is go to menu in the bottom right. From there, you're going to click on settings under the shortcuts section. And here you want to go to account and security. From there, all the way at the bottom, you will see delete account. So go and click delete account. Then click continue to delete account. Now in order to delete your account, you need to first withdraw all the money that you have in your Webull account, and you should also cancel your Webull subscription if you have a subscription. If you've done that, click continue to delete, then click I authorize Webull to delete all my account data, then click on OK and enter your login password. Now after you do that, you want to go and click on done, and once you click done, if you enter the correct password, it will then be deleted. Now, if you are on desktop, it works a little bit differently. You still want to open up the website, of course, then click on your profile icon in the top right, then the drop-down will appear. From there, go to my account, then verify, then manage my account, and then you can click delete account, confirm that all closure requirements have been sent, and then click delete account now to delete your account and again enter your password. So now you know how to delete your Webull account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.